Namaskar. Welcome to India Meteorological Department IMD in its daily weather briefing program of 13 February 2022. So accordingly, in this briefing, we will discuss about past 24 hours realized rainfall and weather, synoptic systems prevailing today over parts of the country, and weather warnings for next 5 days. So yesterday, during past 24 hours, heavy rainfall at one or two places has been observed over Tamil Nadu Met subdivision. In the districts of Nagapattinam, one of the stations reported 8 centimeter. In the districts of Kanyakumari, moderate rainfall of 5 centimeter has been realized. In another, some of the districts like this, two or three districts also reported moderate rainfall of South Tamil Nadu. And in Kerala, in the districts of Tirunelveli, one or two stations reported moderate rainfall of the order of 4 to 6 centimeter. And yesterday, cold day, cold day condition has not been realized significant over any parts of the country. However, cold wave conditions prevailed in isolated pockets over Madhya Pradesh. And also no dense fog has been observed today morning and today night in any parts of the country. Although shallow fog of the order of visibility 500 and above has been prevailed in some pockets of this northern parts of Bihar, Assam, Meghalaya, etc. However, no dense fog has been prevailed, as already told. Now, this is about the synoptic systems prevailing today. So, today, a fresh western disturbance seen in mid and tropospheric westerlies with its axis at 5.8 km above mean sea level, and location is longitude wise 60 degree east and latitude wise 30 degree north, and also an induced cyclone circulation seen at low tropospheric levels over southwest Rajasthan and neighborhood, and yesterday's trough over Comorin area now seen as a cyclone circulation over Maldives area, and a trough running from this Saisar over this Maldives area to north coastal Karnataka in low tropospheric levels. So these are some of the synoptic systems, and also one another fresh western disturbance likely to affect northwest India from the night of 17 February 2022. So accordingly, I have mentioned here synoptic systems and the influence of that synoptic system. So under the influence of Saisar over Maldives area and trough from this Saisar to north coastal Karnataka, and also due to the strong northeasterly winds over coastal Tamil Nadu in lower tropospheric levels. So under their influence, isolated thunderstorm activity and light to moderate rainfall at isolated places is expected over southern parts of Tamil Nadu and Kerala during next 24 hours, and there are also a less probability of heavy rainfall over South Tamil Nadu and South Kerala during next 24 hours. And under the influence of a feeble western disturbance, what I have mentioned earlier, that isolated to scattered light rainfall and snowfall very likely over Jammu Kashmir, uh, Gilgit, Baltistan and Muzaffarabad during the period of 13th to 16th February, and over Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand on 15th and 16th February 2022, and under the influence of another western disturbance which is likely to affect from the night of 17th February, is scattered to fairly widespread light rainfall snowfall very likely over western region, and light isolated to scattered rainfall over plains of northwest India during the period of 17 to 28 February 2022. So this is weather warnings and forecast for next 5 days. Now go to the temperature. So gradual rise in minimum temperature is expected by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius over most parts of northwest India during next 4 days, and gradual rise in minimum temperature by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius very likely over most parts of central India during next 4 5 days, and no significant change in minimum temperature very likely over most parts of East India during next 2 days, and gradual rise by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius during subsequent 3 days. And as far as the fog conditions are concerned, shallow to moderate fog conditions very likely during night morning hours in isolated pockets over northern parts of Punjab, Haryana, and Uttar Pradesh during next 2 days. So this is about the minimum temperature scenario and shallow to moderate fog conditions. And as far as cold wave and cold day conditions are concerned, so no significant cold wave and cold day conditions are expected during next 5 days over any parts of the country. And accordingly, I have this plotted maps in different color codes. So yellow color is given to this Tamil Nadu and Kerala meteorological subdivision because of probability of thunderstorm activity over these two subdivisions, and also thunderstorm is expected over Lakshadweep area during next 24 hours. As already mentioned, this less probability is also for heavy rainfall over southern parts of Kerala and Tamil Nadu during next 24 hours. Accordingly, this yellow color is given. And other than that, no significant warnings has been issued except this for on 15th probability of thunderstorm over East Madhya Pradesh and Vidarbha, and also this during 15th and 16th thunderstorm possibility over Andaman Nicobar Islands. Otherwise, no significant weather warnings has been issued during next 5 days. And also we are regularly updating our weather bulletins based on the prevailing synoptic and weather conditions time to time. In fact, we are updating our bulletins 4 times a day. You can refer them, and they are available at national website that mosam.imd.gov.in. And also we are regularly updating our social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter. You can also refer them. And as already told, and daily I am referring that kindly download our different apps, that is Mosam app, Damini app, and Meghdoot app. Both are available, and these apps are available on both platforms like Android and iOS. You can download them, you can use them for updated weather warning and forecast. Thank you, and we will meet again tomorrow with another episode of Daily Weather Briefing. Till then, bye.